is the Honey Island pistol range.
Rifle line. Do you have any room?
I shot at these two. I'll go check them. And
Take the old stuff out of there.